Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a chainless foundation in single crochet. So to get started, we're going to make a slip knot. And we're actually going to chain 2. Okay, and we're going to work into the bottom, or we're going to rather work into that first chain that we made and pull up a loop. And we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And we've made our first stitch. Now what I'm going to do is insert my hook into the bottom of our first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through. And so I've made my second little single crochet in my chainless foundation. I don't know if that's hard to see or not, is it? Do I need to change my light? Or is it too dark? I don't know. Maybe like that. Okay, I think that's a little better. So now what I'm going to do is again insert my hook into the bottom of that previous stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. And so you can go about doing this if you don't like chaining. It's just one of those little quick tutorials, one of those hacks if you will. And it goes by a lot faster than chaining, I've noticed. And once you get the hang of it, you'll have a full project going. Be careful not to work them too tightly, otherwise you may not be able to work back into them to continue your foundation. Now, I've also found great success in using the alternative turning chain as a single crochet foundation, but that is a future tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and fasten off because I can do this literally all day. I'm going to fasten off. And so, by the time you're done, you should have a little foundation chain that looks like this, or like this, you know, either one. So I hope today's video was helpful to you all. If so, go ahead, leave me a thumbs up go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how I did or what kind of tutorials or projects you'd like to see done in the future. I'm open to suggestions. Go ahead and subscribe, ring that little notification bell so you never miss out on the weekly content that I post. Check out my other social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. And consider donating to the coffee page or checking out the Ravelry shop. And until next time guys, happy making.